Today, we'll learn how to create charts in Streamlit. We'll build a simple sales dashboard using 3 different charts. Let's start. First, import Streamlit and Pandas. Import Streamlit as ST. Import Pandas as PD. Now let's create some sample data. Now you can see all the sales data inside a data frame. Next, we'll convert this data into charts. Now, we will create a line chart. Type this code. Now look at the output. This is a line chart. A line chart is mostly used to show trends over time. Now let's create a bar chart. Save the file again. Now compare both charts. The data is exactly the same. Only the chart type has changed. Bar charts make it easier to compare values. They're commonly used in reports and dashboards. Now, let's create an area chart. Run the application. The area chart looks similar to the line chart. The difference is that the area below the line is filled with color. Area charts are useful when you want to highlight growth over time. Now try changing the data yourself. For example, change the sales values, or add 2 more months. Save the file. You'll notice that all 3 charts update automatically. This is one of the best features of Streamlit.